Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Nadine West, which is a monthly clothing subscription. Comes in a big pink bag and it is resealable. That way if there's anything you don't want, you just put it back in here and mail it back to them. And you will only be charged for what you keep. And then it looks like I have 3 tops, 2 bottoms, and a pair of earrings. So let's take a look. This bundle came unwrapped, so we're gonna start with that one first. Oh, this is cute. This is a sweater. Ambience apparel. You definitely wear like a tank top or something under it. It's real soft, and it's in my favorite color, which I love. And I will be inserting all the pictures at the end so you can see the full shots of them, and then I'll put the prices and stuff in the description box and probably on screen as well. And these are rose gold earrings. Those are really cute. I don't really switch out my earrings, but I should. I know I'm really boring. I do not switch up my jewelry that often. The next one is also a top. Rags to Riches is the brand. Really pretty color. Has a little silver circle that the strings all tie through. Long sleeve. Real nice and soft as well. And then the last item in that bundle is some leggings. I have a bunch of shorts in this material and it is just so soft. Let's see what brand it is. Not sure if it's the same brand as the shorts. I don't know, but they are very comfy. And then in here I should have one more bottom and one more top. Ooh, I love plaid. Well, that's cute. Just a regular plaid shirt, red and blue. It does have the sleeves. They can roll and then cuff up here. Nice and flowy. And then a black pair of jeggings, which are my favorite thing ever to wear. Those are cute. S&G apparel. Very cool. So that is what I got this month. Just a quick unbagging of all my goodies. I've been getting Nadine West for a while now, so I'll put a playlist below in case you want to see previous bags I've gotten. If you'd like to order anything, I will put all their information below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.